Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Binance versus Delta exchange video, and we're going to go over some of the main features. So, right over here, it shows that Binance has 400 and above cryptos, but Delta exchange has only 6, which is not true. Delta exchange does have more cryptos than that. Next up, if we look at the token fee, as you can see that for Binance it's zero point 0.1, but for Delta exchange it's lesser than that. Maker fee, same as that, it's zero point 0.1 for Binance and it's less in Delta exchange. Withdrawal fee, as you can see that it's 0.0002 and it's lesser in Delta exchange. And then Binance supports Wise and Credit, which Delta Exchange does not. None of them are US allowed. Other derivatives are available, things like that. Now if we look at some of the ratings, as you can see, Delta Exchange overall has 3.4 and Binance has 4.8, which obviously gives it more edge. For regulation, Binance wins that point as well. Fees, Binance wins it as well. Trading assets, Binance, investment, all these things. As you can see clearly that Binance is winning. So it is the better option for you until unless there are specific things for which you want to go to Delta Exchange only. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.